This is Peter from Sun Insurance and Logistics. Today I'm in Columbia, Kentucky. I came to a farm, the Milk Way Farms and LLC, to just kind of have a view how the business is going. So we met one of the guys who gave us a tour guide. Trucks they are using to transport the milk, and those are the farms over there. Those are the cows, and that is the corn, and this is the compound. The way it looks like. So the guy is gonna take us around and explain to us everything how it takes place. Thank you. Keep watching, and I hope you'll enjoy the video. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Today I'm in Columbia, Kentucky, inside the farm where we get milk from. Meet Jared Segura. He's going to give us a tour on this dairy farm over here. So, Jared, welcome.
Hello, everybody. This is my name is Jared Segura, and this is this are the milking cows where we get all raw milk from here. Milk straight out to the tank and go to the factory. And what you're seeing here is the cow standing right here. This is what we call the hauling bin.
Okay.
We bring the cows from the barn where they go eat.
Okay.
And they come in and they stay in the hauling bin.
Okay.
And when the place right there is empty, like you can see.
Okay.
Now that means that I need cows in there that to milk.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna get the cows in.
Okay.
And they stand out there. Then after that, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do after the cows get in there, how to clean them, and get the process on.
Sounds good.
All right.
Thank you, sir. So he's gonna bring the cows. These are the ones we have around here. But he's gonna bring them one by one. So here they come. These are the cows coming. These are the cows coming from there. And yeah, he's lining them with probably 10. The number I think is 10. And this one is done, it's waiting for his instructions. This place you have to keep cleaning. So the guy is back and it's coming through. And
Now after bring the cows in, you always know cleaning is number one priority in all places.
yes.
This is a printed tip
Okay.
that I gotta soak them before I wipe them.
Okay.
So after I do that, every cow gotta do that.
So you have to be very careful sometimes. So they cannot kick you.
And now
Right.
I got the towels that I use to clean.
Okay.
This is the towel that I use to clean them.
Sure.
Just to be exact sure what is it. Each cow got his own towel. I just clean this towel like this on this cow,
Okay.
and I just put it aside.
Then use the second clean towel.
New towel. Bring it, put it aside. Give it away. Put it aside.
Okay.
Come on. Then just put that aside too.
All right.
Keep on doing it.
Guys, it's cleaning. It's cleaning.
You have to make sure that they're all real clean.
Very, very clean before you.
Nice and dry.
Right.
If they ain't clean and nice and dry, that's how you get my style.
Okay.
And you do that in each cow. Then after we finish that, this side right here is probably done milking. Because the machines that we got here, they got an automatic taker.
Okay.
They take off by themselves. But sometimes you gotta look at the cows, make sure that they all finish milking. Now you grab that, swing it,
Then
then you put it on.
it just started automatic.
It's just automatic. Everything is automatic. You got a sensor out here.
Okay.
Once you swing it, you kick on and milk comes on.
Wow.
You
See that?
It goes like that.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, sometimes they do that.
Yes, sometimes they do that.
That's part of farming.
Uh-huh.
That you swing it to every cow, and then the reason why I skip the others because they were not done. The reason why I skip. So I go with the one that is done. So you do that. Go on every cow. And after you do all that, so I gotta go back to whichever that is done.
Yeah. It looks like that is the last one he's doing over there.
Now, this is the last question.
Which ones are done?
That. So make sure that you have water on it. After you finish dipping that,
This is a little section here.
that right there helps them. That's helped them from they got something out there trying to get on that base. If you release them,
Okay, and then they are done now, they go.
they're gonna go eat.
Okay.
I want you all see what
You see them tomorrow again? Or early in the morning?
now we feel clean up.
Good time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Somebody else is gonna build some up in the east.
Okay.
Sometimes when they pull,
Uh-huh.
you gotta clean that out.
Okay.
Clean real good in case the cow kicks the milk. Come on! In case the cow kicks the milk is off,
Uh-huh.
don't suck that.
Okay.
Don't suck that in the
Yeah,
milk.
yeah.
Oh, whatever.
Uh,
That's out here. It goes through here.
okay.
Get on this little thing right here.
Okay.
This is a tank.
Uh-huh.
This machine right here, you got a sensor.
Okay.
When it's almost where it's full, this will kick automatically.
All right.
Sometimes you can use it manually,
Okay.
but it's always set on automatic, so it kicks it by itself.
Fixing myself.
Like this, the milk comes down here, goes here,
Uh-huh.
goes through here, goes this little thing right here.
Right.
This is where the filter is.
Oh, it's filtered the milk now.
The filter thing is looks like this. That's where we keep them out here.
Okay.
That
Oh,
is
I
the
see.
filter.
Oh, I see.
You
The filters the
you
milk.
just put it in there.
Uh-huh.
It's a metal.
Okay.
Maybe if you stick around by the end of it, I'll show you how to take the old filter and just wash everything.
Oh,
and,
what's everything?
and then we
Okay.
we're gonna go
So
down.
how do they find the milk gets in here?
Come through here,
Uh-huh.
get on the filter.
Oh, okay. Get through that.
Then it goes,
pipe right.
all
Okay.
the way up there,
Okay.
comes through this pipe right here, and it goes in here.
Okay. I see.
This is where the milk goes in.
Okay.
Just goes down here and goes in.
This is a refrigerated.
This is a cooling system.
This is a cooling system.
Yeah, like right now
Yeah.
the temperature is about 54.
Okay.
That's the temperature. That's the temperature of the milk.
Okay.
It's about 54 degrees right now.
Okay.
And by the time it cools off,
Yes.
it goes up to 37 degrees.
37.
It stays at 37.
Okay.
That's where it will go back.
Okay.
And if let me go up here. You can climb up here. I'm gonna open this climb up in yourself.
Okay. Let's see.
And you climb up there and take whatever. In there, there's a cooling system in there. See how the agitator is spinning on and everything.
Okay, guys. Oh, guys.
That's how
Guys, you're gonna love this. This is the cooling system here.
See how the agitator is spinning them out.
Yeah.
So it's mixing the new milk,
Okay.
the warm milk with the cold milk.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes, that's it.
That's how the milk gets in there, and it stays in there until the truck comes in the morning and pick it up.
So the truck comes every morning.
Yeah, they take it every day.
Okay.
So they always say you gotta secure this.
So that's the truck right there.
Truck right there.
That's the truck right there he's talking
It's
about.
on top of the plant.
Yeah, I see it.
Yep, that's the truck right there.
Okay.
And
So do you do samples and probably
that's the drive.
has to do some samples to make sure I.
Take samples.
Oh, this is your office right here.
And this little stickers.
Okay.
This little stickers is what see that callback?
Yes.
You cannot sell the milk without them stickers.
Oh, you have to these barcodes.
And
QR
if they forget to put the stickers on the paperwork,
oh, okay.
this is the paperwork.
That's
right
the
there.
paperwork. Okay. Okay.
They have to fill it wherever farm it comes from,
Right.
and this is where you stick your stickers.
Oh.
And the company gotta stick. They gotta scan it up there.
So you have to use those borrows.
So these are the models that they use.
Okay.
Why is one green and another one white?
Because this one right here, I have no idea. That one right there, I cannot explain to you, but I know they got two different bottles
Okay.
that they take out there somehow.
All right.
I don't know why. And so they have to have like in each farm, because that truck right there, it carries 3 farms.
Okay.
It's just like a company.
Right.
And this farm right here is RMC.
Okay.
So they
different farms. So
they had some there. There's 2 brothers and 1 father that gets all the milk of that truck.
Very good.
And each and every one of them got different barcode on there.
I see.
And this is the milk chart.
Oh, that's the Michigan chart.
So they come in there, they read
Uh-huh.
whatever we did on the stick. I'll show you how the stick works.
Okay.
This is how they figure out how much milk they got. This thing right here, if you can get close to it, close enough, they can see they got numbers on it.
Oh, sure.
See, they got numbers up there. And them numbers,
Okay.
whenever you read the number, it will tell you. You go to that chart, it will tell you how much milk is in
How
the tank.
much?
Yeah.
Very good.
So if you guys stick around, I'll show you the finishing part of it,
Okay.
and then we'll conclude this.
Thank you, Charlie, man.
No problem, no
You're the
problem.
man. You're the
No
man.
problem, no problem. If you stick around,
Yeah.
the Rico Cora,
Uh-huh.
more can
Very good.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I can group spot
Okay.
in the milk pond, some companies safety is number 1. But in the milk pond, cleaning is number 1. So we have to clean these milkers every time you milk them. We're gonna clean them. And this is the process of cleaning the milkers. So what ought I do? I will press these up, and you're gonna see those milkers drop down. All of them right there.
Okay.
Now when they drop down, all I do is just grab them, put them in there. Every one of them that is own place to go. And it's ready to wash. Because you have to wash it. If you leave the milk, you don't wash it. Place, if you're ready to wash, all I do here, I just gonna push it.
Okay.
Send out the last milk that was in there. Now we come in here. This is the main control. And I'll shut this off.
Wow.
Everything is off.
Sure.
And now what I do, I unhook this up, put it back in here. That's the washing system. And I take that out. Take that out. You get this thing right here. You put this on
Close it.
just to secure it. Instead, somebody can turn this on.
Okay, so you don't
The
see
milk will not spill all out.
All right.
So that you shut that valve, you put this on, you good. And since this was used to just milk in there, what we do, we just stick it down in here. And after I turn this on, they will show you in there. I turn it on,
Okay.
press it start. Now they will show you what the milk is going, and then what I look for that. Switch that off. So folks, as you can hear, you can walk with me. Come close. You come as close as you can. As you can see, we can see water in there. That is washing now. It wash all by itself, and they will take it all out there. And they will do that about 4 times before they all finish it out. And, so from here, the next tour is going to be out there where I'm going to show you where the cows go after they finish eating. I'm going to show you where they go over there. Okay. This is they call this alfalfa. For some reason, I don't know why they call it alfalfa. But without this thing right here, the cows will never eat solids.
Really?
No, they will not. They always have to find these. And there's some feed out there that I'm going to show you. There's a feed that they put in the mixer. If you can walk with me on.
Yeah,
here.
I will. Sure.
And if you come close here, these are the minerals. These are the minerals.
Oh, these are
That's
the minerals.
the salt.
Okay.
They always like to eat that, and I'm pretty sure we probably be out there. I'm gonna walk out there with you wherever they are. If they're out, I could come get a couple bucks and put it in there.
Okay.
Those are the minerals.
All right.
They're really good for them. They eat. It's like a human being. Everybody needs minerals.
Yeah, I need some for sure.
In their life. And we come in here. This thing right here. This is a mixer.
Oh, this is a mix.
This is a mixer. They bring that alfalfa. I'll show you. They put it in there. The 2 bales that was laying on the ground.
Yes.
They put it in there, and when they turn it on, see, like right now,
Correct.
you can come in here. It's the scale.
That is the scale.
Right now, what is in that mixer is 4,060 pounds in the mixer.
Okay.
But in the morning, they're gonna add it because that's what they goes by. They ask me every now and then how many cows we got on this barn and this barn. We got 2 barns out here.
Right.
They ask me how many cows we got, so they know exactly what the amount of feed they put in there.
To put that.
Okay.
Okay.
And now this is this one right here. That's where the feeds are. The company brings out the feed.
Oh, the feed's here.
And fill it in that thing.
Uh-huh.
And then from there, they bring that truck and they put it right here. and they got an electric thing there. They just start it up.
Okay.
It comes out. And now the question is, where is this feed come from? If you can point right there, you will see there's cones right there.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's where it comes from.
That's cone right there. That's the cow's feed. And if you can point right there, this cones right there, it turns out to be silage.
Oh, that's the one by
That is called the silage.
Okay.
This corn right here, they got that combine harvest and they just grind it and grind it and grind it and they make that.
Okay.
So whenever this is ready, probably will be September because this was a late set. It will be September.
Uh-huh.
And then the chopper would come in here and it will cut it. There's a couple of trucks that they load it up and take it out there.
Yeah, I think I'm running out of battery soon.
So if
we have a backup over there.
So if you can pause.
Yeah.
You can pause it. Take it out. But stay in here because this is part of the washing system. And tighten it up. And folks, now that's the washing system.
Okay.
It's this thing right there is going to be filled up. It will be filled up with water. It's a hot water. The temperature for the water is it's about 100. This is the temperature right here. This one right here. We can come stand next to it. That's 185 degrees temperature water. And this is the washing machine when we wash the rugs we use.
Right.
Now this is the system that takes all the chemicals and put it in. See, like you can see it here.
Yeah.
This is how you touch it. You can see it here. Second process is the acid. Okay. And the last process is the sanitizer.
The chlorine sanitizer.
Yeah, everything is automatic.
Okay.
As you see, the pipes goes in there. This thing right here, it got an automatic thing. It would just whenever it's ready. Right now it's in a process of first rinse. They have to rinse it first. Then they're gonna put the soap in.
Okay.
Then they're gonna put acid. The chlorine is the last thing to put in there because that will happen around close to milk time. Okay. Because it's a sanitizer. It sanitizes all the milkers, and it will. You'll stick with me in a minute. As soon as that is ready. Right. Now this is the washing system. All you did do is just put this to. This one right here is wash. That one right there is milk. But when you put the wash, you gotta press start on it. Every time you get on the washing, you gotta put start on it, and you can see up here. You got a 1, 2, and 3. So the first one is just the leaves, and you can see a little arrow right here. It's actually 4. That little timer right there, that's the sanitizer, the last process. Sure. And like I showed you on the temperature, if you can go back on field, it was 53 degrees, 50, 55, 56, something like that. Mm-hmm. Now it's 45. So you keep on going down until you get to 37. Well, so folks, as you can hear, they walk with me. As close as you come close to it, come close. You come as close as you can. As you can see water in there. That is washing now. It wash all by itself and take it all out there. And they will do that about 4 times. Okay. So from here, the next tour is going to be out there where I'm going going to show you where the cows go. After they finish eating, I'm going to show you where they go over there.
Okay, let's go. Let's go out there and see what happens.
You can post it. This is the main part of the cow. See, that's now, these are the feet. You see the brains right there, it just makes the water come out here. And all the stuff. Then we have two bones. This is the first bone. This is milk this side first. Okay. Then that's the second bone. That's the last side of the milk. And biggest one right there. That's a local. That's a local. See, like right now, I can if that is there, I can jump in the front. Whenever I'm ready to front, I can jump it. And as you can see, that's one side right there. They got waters everywhere. That's the main thing is water too. See that's water right there? This is water. You have one in the middle. You have one back there. One outside, and they have one out there somewhere. And the main thing for them cows is water.
Water.
And if you can post a little bit, where I can jump on this structure. This is the one that is the back out when this is the one that is the back out. With the robot down. All right, so it's down. Push it close. This is the main part of the cow.
Okay.
See, as you can see in the ground,
Right.
those are the feet.
Wow.
And you see the brains right there, it just makes the root come out here.
Okay.
All the stuff. And then we have two bones. This is the first bone. This we milk this side first.
Okay.
And that's the second bone. That's the last side of milk.
Right.
And you can go right there. That's a robot.
Oh, that's a robot by the far end.
That pushes the feet.
Okay.
Just put the feet next to the cow.
Uh-huh.
See, like right now, I can if that is dead, I can jump in the truck and I can push it.
Right.
Whenever I'm ready to get in the truck, I can do it. And that's part of the time right there. That's where they sleep. They can't really eat. They go down there.
That's where they sleep.
They sleep there.
Okay.
They never get out of here.
All right.
They never go outside, out in the field. They just stay here.
So some are already sleeping over there.
Yeah, some are already sleeping out there. The one that is done eat the food.
Uh-huh.
And yes, you can see on the other side too. Each one of them got his own house to sleep. They call it a stall.
A stall, yeah, yeah.
They store in there, get on their own stall, they sleep.
Okay.
So this right here is the main part of the cows. That's where we get the milk from. Without this,
Without this, no milk.
we would no milk.
Okay.
They would have no milk.
Okay.
So that thing right up here, up here, and we can see, y'all get a close look at it.
Yes.
How they sleep.
This is a cross range.
You can see there is meadows in between each stall.
Okay.
We call
Okay.
them
I see
stalls.
now. Uh-huh.
So one cow will sleep here, another will sleep there, another one will sleep there, and that's and they got waters everywhere.
Okay.
Now the main thing is water too. See,
Okay.
there's water right there.
Uh-huh.
This is water. They have one in the middle. They have one back there. They have one outside, and they have one out there somewhere.
Okay.
And the main thing for them cows is water.
Water.
And
Very important.
today, if you can post a little bit,
Go.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much for following our video, and I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, it's gonna be below this video, please. So Jared is our main tour guide. He's the main guy in this farm. You have seen everything he has told us, and he's gonna tell us this closing statement before we call it a day. Welcome, Jared.
Thank you so much, folks. All I would like to say is thank you to Speedo for coming in. And this is not an easy job. And every folks out there, you have to give a farmers a round of blood, because this is the most difficult job. Like most of you can go Walmart and take the milk is come from Walmart. Now you see
where it's coming.
and it's not an easy job. It's not an easy process. It's a sacrifice. So whenever you see a farmer out there in the store, someday just pay him back and say good job. And if you had any questions, just direct to Suspira. Suspira will call me and I'll explain to him and he will explain to you. Thank you so much, and we appreciate you watching this video. All right.
Thank you so much, guys. We will see you, and thanks for your time.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.